Hello, it's Monica and it's Monday, which means it is time for Personalized card. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a black tie wedding card in a shape of a heart. As you can see, there is plenty of space inside, and for today's project, I'm going to use 300 GSM white card, pearlescent card, also Centura metallic solid gold, and black matte card by Crafter's Companion. First, I'm going to start with beautiful 6x6 medium hard box cutting die set by Card Making Magic, and I'm going to create a base, which means I'm going to die cut the biggest heart twice from white stamping card, and this one is 300 GSM. And when you do it, you'll have beautiful base in the shape of a heart, perfect for any wedding card. Now I'm going to use the same cutting die, and I'm going to die cut it from black matte card, which will go on top, and that will be my very first background layer. With the slightly smaller hard die, I'm going to die cut it from solid gold, Centura metallic card, and as you can see, it has really beautiful pearlescent sheen to it. And with the smallest heart, as you can see, it has beautiful edge, and I'm going to die cut it from Centura pearl card, which also give me that beautiful shine and a little bit elegance to my card. And when these layers are ready, I'm going to use white card and also pearlescent card, and I'm going to use that beautiful ribbon die from the same 6x6 medium hard box cutting die set by Card Making Magic. And this one is so easy to make, and if you have never ever used that shape cutting dies, I really encourage you to do it, because you can create very beautiful and stunning projects. Now I'm going to also use a smaller heart from Tonic Studio Dies, and all the names of the products I use in today's video will be in the description down below if you're interested. And for the smaller hearts, I'm going to use white 300 GSM stamping card, because it is very thick and perfect for small elements. Now I'm going to use beautiful Tattered Lace, elegant alphabet, and I'm going to die cut the letters for the bride and groom's name using gold mirror card. And this way I'll have a slightly variation in all those gold colors. Now I'm going to use alphabet cutting die from Tattered Lace, and that one was in one of the magazines a few years ago. As you can see, it was really used lots of times, and I die cut the date for the wedding. Now with one of the hearts from white card, I'm going to score it and create a flap, and this way we are going to have the back for our card base. And to attach my front panel, I'm going to use my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, because it is perfect for any paper craft projects. And this way, yes, we do have a base in a shape of a heart. And I wonder, have you ever made cards in the shape of a heart? Or maybe you made shape cards in different shapes? Please let me know. Now I'm assembling the whole card together, which means I'm going to start with the black card first, then that beautiful solid gold metallic card, and I absolutely love it. I'm not really sure if you can see it in the camera, but in real life it has that beautiful shine to it. Now we're going to create those beautiful laces with the card, and I'm going to start with white first and then pearlescent on top, and this way we're going to have more interest to your card, and it will make it even more elegant, because the idea for this card to keep it super simple, because it is for black tie wedding. So I thought this lace would be perfect. What do you think about that small embellishment on a card? Have you ever used paper ribbons on your card? Please let me know. When this is ready, we're going to turn our heart over and use our scissors to trim off the excess of the lace. And our card is nearly done. We just have to assemble all the pieces together, and yes, super quick and simple. Now I'm going to put more liquid glue on the back of our pearlescent heart, and I'm going to adhere it on our gold and black backgrounds. Now it is time to decide where to put smaller hearts, and then I'm going to add those initials, J and S, in gold mirror card. And I wonder, have you ever made a card for black tie wedding? If you have, please share your makes in the comments down below. I would love to see it. And I wonder, have you ever used gold, white and pearlescent card for any wedding makes? If you have, what shape card did you use? I'm really curious. To start off with the date, I decided to use the year first on the right hand side, and as you saw, I started, let's say, in the middle, and then I'm moving on to the month, and the last one is the day. I thought it would be the best way to line up all those numbers together. If you have a better trick how to line all smaller elements, please let me know. And the card is finished. I really hope it will inspire you to create something beautiful or in the shape of a heart. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. See you in my next video. Bye for now!